Hi there, and welcome to What's Mark Cooking. Today I'm cooking salmon teriyaki. I was going to use store-bought teriyaki sauce, but after seeing how easy it was to make, I decided to make my own. Anyway, let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we'll be using 2 salmon cutlet fillets. To make the teriyaki sauce, I'm going to use some soy sauce, some mirin, some sesame seed oil, some honey, and some ground ginger. For my side dish, I'll use a half a cup of rice, a handful of peas and corn, some carrot, and a spring onion. My first step is to wash my rice. After washing the rice, it goes into our rice cooker. Now we add the water. It's 2 parts water to 1 part rice, so half a cup of rice means 1 cup of water. Half. 1. And we start the cooking process. My rice is cooking away. Just before it's done, I'll be adding the peas of the corn, the carrot, and the green onion. Use this portion of the green onion. Cut these in half. Cut that as fine as you can. That looks pretty good. Now onto the carrot. We won't be using a lot of the carrot, but first we're going to give it a bit of a peel. Maybe about half the carrot. I'll cut them crossways as well. And that's done. These ingredients will go into the rice just before it's cooked. To make our teriyaki sauce, we need 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, a tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, we're also going to need a teaspoon of sesame oil. That's about right. And a little sprinkle of ginger. Not a lot. Give it a really good stir and get it all mixed together well. Looks good. Before we cook our fish, we're going to check to see if there's any bones. No bones. It's great. Our rice is getting close to being cooked. Time to add our ingredients. They don't need much cooking. Just pop them in, give them a bit of a stir around. So at this point I'll probably add a dash of soy sauce as well. Not a lot, a tablespoon. Put the lid on and time to start cooking our salmon. First tip, get some heat into our pan. Okay, once our pan gets hot, add a little bit of oil. Add our salmon, skin side down. We won't be cooking it much, about 45 seconds on each side. That's 4 sides. Getting some good colour on these now. And just before I introduce the teriyaki sauce, I'll turn them over with the skin side up. Time now to add the teriyaki sauce. We'll turn the salmon over so all sides get coated in the teriyaki sauce. As we cook, the teriyaki sauce is thickening. A nice glaze. I think they're done. Time to plate up. First our rice. Now I've probably made enough rice for 2 people, so I'll probably have some for tomorrow. And for our salmon, a little bit of sesame seed. Looks delicious. Can't wait for the taste test. Well, this looks fantastic. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Well, I have made teriyaki salmon quite a few times, but this is the first time I've made my own teriyaki sauce. Success! Well, I hope you liked today's recipe. And if you did, hit a like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. And don't forget, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.